Hi, my name is Daphne and I'm from Kelowna, British Columbia. I am reviewing the Type A linear closet kit from Canadian Tire. It's an all-in-one storage solution. There are two three-tiered shelving units that come with it, with expandable hanger bars for clothing. You can set it up as a vertical tower or a side-by-side unit as I have. It's very sturdy, it's easy to put together, and I would recommend it for all your storage needs. It is so nice, there's no need to hide it behind closed doors. And I would fully recommend this for anyone. Thank you.